Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video which is about Apple Notes feature which helps you remember anything. So guys, if you want to know about this feature, you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, if you use your iPhone every day but still forget things, you are missing out on a powerful feature inside Apple Notes. So guys, most people use notes like a simple notepad, but it can actually act like your second brain. Here is the trick, that is use pinned notes and tags. Pin your most important notes so they always stay at the top. No scrolling, no searching, and then add simple tags like ideas or urgent inside your notes. With one tap you can instantly find everything related. But the real magic is search. Apple Notes can find words inside your notes, scanned documents, and even photos. So you don't need to remember where you saved something. Just type a keyword and it shows up. Capture it once, tag it, and let your phone remember it for you. So guys, start using this and you will never forget important things again. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.